You've probably felt the frustration. Your team has a strong vision, maybe even solid funding, but sometimes it feels disjointed. Marketing campaigns don't convert, sales processes lack follow-through, or your team is stretched too thin. Let's break this down because these issues are fixable with the right strategies. Over the years, I've identified 7 major barriers to successful marketing and sales alignment. Number 1, vision without structure. You've got the vision and the capital, but if you lack process or collaborative culture, your execution will fall flat. Marketing and sales aren't just departments. They need to operate as one integrated team. Number 2, disjointed tech stack. Your website, CRM, email tools, and social media might exist, but if they're not working together, then you're missing critical data. Integration creates clarity. It tracks leads, prospects, and workflows, helping you focus your efforts. Number 3, content that misses the mark. If your content talks about what you want to sell rather than solving what your clients really need, you're losing their attention. Your messaging should address their pain points and not just list your benefits and features. Number 4, lack of distribution. You can have great content, but without SEO, paid ads, or consistent distribution, your audience won't find it. Visibility is everything. Number 5, unclear branding. Your target audience should instantly recognize your voice and your personality. If your branding is inconsistent or generic, they'll move on. Number 6, inefficient sales processes. Are you qualifying prospects properly? Are you using the CRM to track deals and follow-ups? Without these, you're wasting valuable time and leaving money on the table. Number 7, unrealistic timelines. B2B growth isn't overnight. It takes time to nurture leads, refine your strategy, and build trust in a market that's been reshaped by remote work and evolving tech. Sound familiar? Let's dive into some solutions that will get you moving in the right direction. How do we want to realign marketing and sales? The best organizations treat marketing as an investment that supports sales. It's not about us versus them. It's about collaboration. Whether it's through shared KPIs or cross-functional leadership like a chief growth or revenue officer, your org chart should reflect one unified team. Master your tech stack. Your tools should work for you, not the other way around. Sync your website, CRM, email platforms, and social media accounts to centralize data. This will help you better understand your prospects' journeys and prioritize follow-ups. Know your prospects better than they know themselves. Understanding your audience is everything. What are their pain points? Who are the decision makers? How do they prefer communication? Use persona research and insights from your tech stack to answer these questions. The more you understand them, the more targeted and effective your outreach will be. Create ROI-driven content. Your content should speak directly to your audience's needs. Collaborate with your team to align messaging and frame your offerings as solutions to their problems. What's in it for them? Make that the heart of your message. Cross-train and collaborate. Marketing, sales, and client success should all be on the same page. Invite marketing to sit in on a sales call to better understand prospects. Train your client success team to recognize upsell opportunities and generate referrals. When every department works together, the results multiply. For final thoughts, these aren't quick fixes, but they're worth it. By aligning your vision, integrating your tools, creating targeted content, and fostering collaboration, you'll set yourself up for long-term growth. If you're ready to take the next step, I'd love to help. Schedule a consultation with us today. Until next time, let's keep building smarter strategies and driving real results.